What is up, guys? Welcome in. I hope everyone is enjoying this lovely Monday, starting the week off in the right direction. Okay, we're back. We're gonna make a video right now. We're gonna talk Solana. I'm gonna share with you guys a little bit what's going on, a little sentiment across the board for Solana, and we're gonna take a quick dive in the charts at the end of this video. So you're gonna want to stick around and give you guys my take on all this as we move forward towards the end of 2023. All right. As always, guys, not financial advice. Please absolutely smash that like button. Subscribe down below, all that good stuff. It's the best way here on YouTube that you guys can give back, help us out, keeps you guys informed as well. And if you guys hold Solana, the best way to let people know out there in the YouTube world, drop that SOL in the comments. But let's get down into it, guys. And without further ado, let's take a quick look into the crypto bubbles. And obviously, guys, not financial advice. Just going to share with you guys my thoughts and what's going on in this crypto game. All right. But now we look at Solana. We flipped the market, guys. 4.1% at the time of this publication. Basically, what we're seeing is a red day turning green as we conclude here. If you look quickly at Solana's chart, you can look 27.9% on the month, 7% on the week. And guys, we're trending in a very, very strong direction because Solana, there's a lot of talk out there that they could possibly eventually flip a lot of crypto that we did not think that could even be a possibility. You know, I've heard people say XRP, I've heard people say Ethereum, you know, and I'm going to temper those emotions because I do hold all of those cryptos. So I'm not really rooting for any crypto over another, and I don't like, you know, having Ethereum killer. I don't like that word. I don't like flipping crypto. I want all the cryptos to be number one. That would make all of us a lot of wealth. Okay? So I'm never going to be a one to give anybody some undeserved attacks or any kind of slamming in that nature. I'm not out there to FUD anybody unless it's something that's well-deserved. All right? Just try to keep it 100. But let's get into it, guys. And I want to share with you guys what I wanted to make a video about was because Solana, the search volume on Google has increased 250% over the past 2 months. Now, it's very fascinating. This is a metric that, you know, you call that social dominance or whatever. That really does play a role in crypto. And that's why it comes back to what I was telling you with Solana. If we look basically at this chart, 500% gain. So basically a 5x on the year. Fascinating stuff, guys. I remember I was telling everybody in a Solana video I did earlier in the year, and I remember it because the attacks from the people out there watching the video in the comments was absolutely incredible in terms of the intensity people had, because they were bashing Solana for being a horrible coin. And this was back when Solana was at that $16 level around there. And I was just, you know, applying just common sense in the law of averages and just reality. Solana was just such a huge crypto. And the FTX fiasco, liquidations, and that really wasn't even really phasing it. Okay, Alameda Research, yes, when that was all up in the air, it had some effect in bringing it down to those levels. But it was minor outages. When you guys have to realize how naive crypto is, how young, even Solana, a crypto that's been out for quite some time, there's still a lot of development that needs to happen and go on, okay? But that's what I'm telling you guys, is that now we are looking at a $75 crypto that I firmly believe is going to get back over 100, all right, especially with the rise of Bonk coin. Very fascinating stuff from that. But this is what I want to get back into, guys, because this is what matters. 250% over the past 2 months. And yes, that does coincide and correlate with the fact that on this year, Solana has been one of the outperforming cryptos of 2023, up almost 5x. Okay? So basically from a 0 to 100 scale, and 100 represents the social peak that we saw back in 2020, Solana has increased to 49 from just 14 2 months earlier. So you can do the math on that one and connect those dots. If we were back at 100, we are halfway, not even halfway, to the Google search volume levels that we were at back in 2020. That's great for us here on YouTube, I can tell you that. And it is very good if you guys hold Solana, because those definitely correlate, and you will see that trickle down into the price action for crypto, especially something as volatile as Solana, okay? Because that was a wild ride that I was on swing trading Solana back in 2021, okay? But now, just because in 2 months' time, a little over 2 months, Solana has a 224% rally, and that chart looks absolutely healthy, okay? So we're going to get into that down in the road. So you're going to want to make sure that you guys subscribe here on the channel, because we're going to talk a lot more. I think we're at that point where we got to start looking at some indicators and some more longer term evidence and kind of connect the dots even further with Solana, because that's a crypto that I'm firmly involved in. So I'm going to cover it for you guys on the regular. And if you want to know more about crypto in general, please remember to subscribe down below. It's probably the best and most important thing you can do here on YouTube for us. It does really help the channel grow. But that's what I got for you in this video. Let me know down below in the comments your guys' thoughts with this next bull cycle for Solana. I'm curious, as always. I want to know your guys' feedback. I appreciate you all being a part of the team here. We'll see you guys all in the next video. Thanks, everyone.